Welcome back to this video. In this quick tutorial on Alipay, I'm going to teach you on how to clear cash in Alipay to avoid account frozen or account blocking. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you are already new to this channel and you find this guide useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best you can use Alipay. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to clear cash in Alipay. The first thing you need to do is to simply click on your Alipay to open up the app. Next thing you need to do is to click on Accounts. Next thing you need to do is to click on the setting icon from the top here. Next thing you need to do is to click on General. Next thing you need to do is to click on Manage Storage. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on Clear. I have about 74 megabytes cache. So click on Clear. Done. So you can also clear the notification, clear all remainder. Boom. It's as simple as that. So this is how to clear cache in Alipay. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Alipay. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.